My video guide is about removing the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the website Amsupodebika.ml. This is the website that may periodically appear in your browser pretty suddenly. The website is extremely malicious. It may be integrated into some file hosting or file sharing websites, and then if you start interacting with this website, you might think that you are supposed to download some requested file, but in reality, the website may point you to the installation of certain malware or adware or some browser hijacker or some other threat. These pop-ups by Amsupodebika.ml may be the result of some adware type program already enabled in your computer. So the first thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel, and if you find any suspicious programs on the list, right click on them and get rid of them. Also, sometimes the unusual browser behavior may be explained by certain unwanted browser extensions, so you should carefully check the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I do recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting and deleting all hidden threats, which could be the part of the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.